We have international superstars coming to the Dollyverse! What do I do? We're so not ready! They're gonna need a place to perform some of our favorite songs like Idol and DNA. Well, our Dollyverse does have a stage. It just might need a little bit of a makeover. I'm so sorry, Casta, but BTS is coming. To prepare for our BTS dolls, we're gonna give our doll concert stage a little makeover. This stage was made for the Monster High cast of Fierce, so it has a lot of orange and gold. However, for BTS, I'm thinking we go with black and silver, since that is what is on the doll boxes. First, let's remove the sign, the speakers, and the glitter backgrounds. Wow, our stage has seen better days. We made this video in 2014. Let's sweep it out. I'm going to remove the pretend lights from the corners and the smaller ones we placed around the scaffolding. Aw, they still light up a little. I went to the dollar store and picked up some black poster board and glitter paper with an adhesive back. Cut the poster board to fit on the wall between the scaffolding. That really helped to clean up the torn paper on the back wall. Sometimes all a room needs is fresh wallpaper. The floor could use a little attention as well. So let's take another piece of poster board. Our stage is the exact width of the poster board, so that made things a little easier. Wow, our stage looks brand new. I want the floor to have a shine, so I take a large piece of clear plastic from packaging and cut it to fit inside the box. That is awesome! That is so cool! Now the floor is shiny and slippery. Ow. But it's probably gonna look really good with lights. I found clip-on spotlights at the dollar store. Great for use as a reading light. There is a small switch on the top, so we will have real working lights that we can just clip onto the scaffolding. It can rotate so we can point the light wherever we want. We can have lights on the top, lights on the floor to illuminate the stage. Ooh, and it looks cool in the dark. Let's add a few more. I added some to the bottom of the stage, so they will be facing the dolls. We placed 7 lights at the bottom so everyone can have their own spotlight. I might have gone a little overboard with the lights, but I really want this stage to glow in the dark. For a finishing touch, I take silver glitter paper and sketch out a pair of wings, cut them out, place them on the back wall to complete our concert stage makeover. What I like best about this project is that you can reposition the lights to give dramatic lens flare for photography. And now I would like to introduce the international superstars, BTS! Finally, after all this time waiting, we finally have the BTS dolls. As soon as pre-orders were available, I pre-ordered all of them online from Target. However, they have not come yet. We found all of these on the shelf at Target. I just couldn't wait any longer. They were $19.99 each. There are 7 members in the group, so it can get a little pricey, especially if you are buying multiple copies. I normally wouldn't do that. I would wait for my pre-order to arrive in the mail, but come on, it's BTS.
Can't argue with that.
We have V, Suga, Jin, Jimin, J-Hope, Jungkook, and RM. On the back of the box, there is a black and white picture of the whole group, recommended for ages 6 and up. Let's get these guys out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, they can all fit on the stage. Good thing. I was a little worried for a moment there. Each doll is dressed in their iconic look from the music video Idol, wearing colorful suits paired with tennis shoes. It looks like there are 2 different types of sneakers throughout the whole group, a high top and one that stops right at the ankle. I want you to see all of the detail in these shoes. And here is a close-up of the high tops. V, RM, Suga, Jimin, and Jin are all wearing the high tops, and J-Hope and Jungkook are wearing the shorter ones. Their suits have the same material going all the way around, but the question is, are the clothing items separate pieces? We can remove Jungkook's jacket, and yes! The jacket is a separate piece from the shirt. That is awesome! It velcros in the back, and the pants are separate, and he has an attached belt. J-Hope has a button-up shirt with a collar, and... Okay, so his jacket is attached to the shirt. It is all one piece, and I think it velcros in the front. Yep, and the pants are separate. Jin wears a white hoodie under his jacket, and it is attached, but the pants are separate. Jimin has a collared shirt that velcros in the front. It is attached to the jacket. However, his tie is separate, and that is a real tie. It can be removed. That's pretty cool. And his pants are separate as well. Suga has on a jacket that is also attached to the shirt. It has a floral print with a collar, and it also velcros in the front, and the pants are separate. RM wears a lime green shirt that velcros in the front, has a collar, and some polka dots. It is also attached to the jacket, and the pants are separate. V wears a white shirt with black buttons, hearts on the collar, a colorful jacket that is attached to the shirt, and black pants. The details on their face are kind of pixelated. They look like a bunch of little dots. Each doll has a unique hair color. RM has dark hair with a touch of teal. Jungkook is a mix of a light brown and a pink. Jimin is brown with a blondish highlight. Suga is dark brown and a lighter brown. J-Hope's hair looks black. Jin is blonde, and V is blonde and pink. It has a little bit of a wavy texture on top, and the hair color is divided down the middle. These dolls are fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. Standing at about 11.5 inches tall, they are about the same height of a Barbie, but shorter than Chris Pratt, and more slim. Our original made-to-move Barbies can fit their clothes, but that's a no for Chris Pratt. Their body shape is similar to some of the more recent Monster High guys. Overall, at a $19 price point, I am very happy with the line. I do wish all of them had separate clothing items like Jungkook, but the articulation and being able to stand on their own is a plus. When it comes to looking like the members of BTS, I like that they added small details like RM's dimple, and I can totally see J-Hope when I look at this doll. As a doll collector, I think this is a great buy. Fully articulated guys for $19 with rooted hair. And if you're not overly excited by the hairstyles, you can always do a hot water rinse to help it lay down. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we gave our stage a BTS makeover and took a look at the new BTS dolls. Check out our concert stage video for details on how to make the stage and all of the scaffolding. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unboxed Daily. And that's our collection for now.